Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well today. So I feel like I'm due another festival makeup video because I've not filmed one since my Coachella looks, and yeah, I mean, it's the UK festival season now. It's like kick-started. There's been a couple of festivals already, so I thought I would just offer you guys a little bit of inspiration if you're based in the UK and you've got some festivals coming up. So yeah, I'm kind of going to go for like a purpley glittery look today. I've got some face jewels, and yeah, I'm just gonna go crazy as I normally do and experiment. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I will try my best to chat through it as much as I can. So let's go. So first up, I'm going to be taking the Rainbow Splash palette by OPV Beauty London. Ooh, if I can get it open. How unreal all these colours. Perfect for the festival season. And I'm probably going to be taking shades Satin and Motley and kind of applying this to my lid, and this kind of blending out up to my brow. How nice are my eyes? I've not used that palette before, but it's so pigmented. It's like super easy to blend. Loving it. Loving that kind of like metallic-y purple colour as well. Right, next up, lashes. So I'm going to be applying the Bubble Pop lashes from Unicorn Lashes. Right, next up I'm going to be applying some mascara, and for this I'm going to be taking the new Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara in Trooper Black. This one here. So that's the mascara applied, and now I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Cake Pencil in shade Whiteout. Love this for just lining that inner part of my eye just there. So next up I've got a highlight, and for this I'm going to be taking the new Charlotte Tilbury palette. It's called Glowgasm, and I'm going to be taking this shade here. It is so beautiful. Next up is the face jewels, and I'm going to grab these ones called Cosmic Cowgirl from Barry M. I really like them because there's like nice pinks and purples and a little hint of green. Yeah, I feel like this is like the vibe for this look. Oh my god, I'm loving those jewels. So fab. Super sticky as well. Like, I don't feel like they're going to go anywhere. Super easy to apply. So cool. I feel like it's time for some glitter. So I'm going to grab the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Gel, which is new. This is shade Saturday Stardust. And yeah, it's for the eyes, face and body. Oh my god, how nice is that glitter? I'm loving it. Like, the colours, also it comes in so many different shades, you can get that glitter gel, but like the way it goes on, it's super easy to apply and you can build up the glitter. I love how it just doesn't go all on at once. But you can kind of like do little bits, kind of like what I've done on my eye, but then like build up like stripes and wow, nice. Right, next up I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liner in white. Going to be adding in some dots and swirls and things like that. Right, now time to finish this look off with a lipstick. So I'm going to be taking the Velveteen's Lime Crime Lip Liner in Fiona, and I'm going to be pairing it with the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in shade Aisha. Voila! What do we think of this festival makeup look? Oh my god, I'm loving it. It looks so cool. I love like all the shimmers and sparkles and the purples. Looks really cosmic. Love it. So guys, I'll pop links below to all the products I've used so you can shop this look and recreate it. And yeah, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video here very soon. Peace out.